Hey guys, how's it going? It is February 6th, 2021, and going back into my archives, this is January 1st, 2021, so still got a little bit of video to get out there. I haven't been flying as much due to the weather hasn't been as good for February. But anyways, this is the CP manifest in Smithville, Ontario on our way back into Niagara and on New Year's Day. So Uh, kind of like this shot too because it's kind of appropriate for the programming that I'm about to get into this weekend. Uh, it's either going to be later today, probably tonight, and I've already got all the screens together. But I thought it was kind of appropriate looking at this one with the view of chasing the train going over. Thought that was kind of cool. So, but there's much better videos I haven't got to. I just haven't got around to it. So, but this one in particular, nothing too particular. Another shorty with CP. At least they run a lot of trains. That's a good thing I can say about them. So you get to see a lot of power, but nothing too interesting on the power on this one either. But yeah, that's about it for now. And real short video, real short train. And we'll catch you next time. Talk to you later.